Buongiorno, watch aficionados and history buffs. Welcome back to Time Traveler, where we pair iconic landmarks with the perfect timepiece. Today we're strolling through the charming streets of Florence, Italy. As we explore this city steeped in Renaissance history and artistic brilliance, we'll be on the hunt for a watch that truly captures its essence. Florence, a city where art and culture reached unparalleled heights. Here, amidst the cobbled streets and grand palazzos, the spirit of the Medici family, patrons of the arts and influential figures, still resonates. Elegance and refinement reigned supreme during the Renaissance, leaving behind a legacy of timeless beauty. And that's exactly what we're looking for in our perfect Florentine timepiece, a watch that embodies the city's sophisticated spirit and reflects its rich artistic heritage. Let's see if we can find a match. Imagine browsing the Ponte Vecchio bridge, filled with gleaming jewelry shops, or perhaps you're sipping an espresso at a charming cafe, watching the world go by. The ideal Florentine watch should seamlessly blend with these experiences, complementing the beauty and elegance of the city. Here's a contender, the Omega de Ville Tresor, crafted from 18K yellow gold and adorned with a luxurious leather strap. This watch exudes a timeless elegance that feels right at home in Florence. But it's not just about the materials. Notice the domed ivory enamel dial, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. It evokes the artistry that permeated Florence during the Renaissance, a period where attention to detail was paramount. The de Ville Tresor's design itself is a classic, clean lines, a simple yet sophisticated dial. It wouldn't look out of place adorning the wrist of a Medici patron or a modern-day art aficionado. The yellow gold case is a subtle nod to the golden age of Florence, period where gold was used to adorn everything from sculptures to frescoes. Florence isn't just about grand museums and historical landmarks. It's a city that invites you to slow down, to savor the beauty in the everyday. A perfectly brewed cup of coffee, the warmth of the Tuscan sun, the awe-inspiring sight of the Duomo. These are all experiences that a Florentine watch should enhance. And that's precisely what the Omega de Ville Tresor does. While it might not boast cutting-edge technology or extreme water resistance, it focuses on what truly matters in Florence: timeless design, quality materials, and an appreciation for the finer things in life. In conclusion, a match made in Renaissance heaven. So, what do you think? Does the Omega de Ville Tresor capture the essence of Florence? Let us know in the comments below. With its classic design and refined aesthetic, the de Ville Tresor seems like a match made in Renaissance heaven for this captivating city. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting time travel adventures where we explore the world through the fascinating lens of watches.